Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Salon Perfect Block Party Blue and LA Girls Aqueous, as well as Symetrika 01. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. Got to get that dog hair off. And here's Salon Perfect, and this is Block Party Blue. Been a hot minute since I used these polishes. This one does dry down matte, but I'm going to put a glossy top coat on it, so it's okay. Or semi-matte, demi-matte, velvet matte. I don't know what it is, but it ain't shiny. I can tell you that much. And the skinny brush, I'm telling you, when you go back to using a skinny brush after getting used to having the fat ones, it's a little hard to figure out how to load that rascal up. But it all works out just fine. First coat down. And now we're going to go in with a second coat of Block Party Blue. I just needed some kind of bright blue, you know? Just needed something bright and happy. There we go. And this is the LA Girls Glitter Addict, and it's Aqueous. It's just like an aqua glitter bomb. And I'm just going to go over the top of my nails with that. It's very pretty. I just need a little bling too on top of my bright blue. There we go. So pretty. I think I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat. Build it up a little bit. Now you know this is going to be a mess to get off with me not using a peel off base coat. Oh well. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so that I can do some playing as per usual here on my channel. There it is, all glittery. There's a swatch photo of it on its own. And this is Symetrika 01. And I have no idea where these plates come from. This one Becky sent me. Braves Diva are now bases loaded lacquer shutout. Will be the stamping polish. I got my little Monocle stamper and my Maniology scraper out. And we're just going to get to playing. Because that's what we like to do here. I love to play. Always into the playing. So I am going to stamp all the nails today. Getting a little crazy with it. Tap, tap. Oh, that looks so cool. I think I like it. I am going to clean my lint roller off. My stamper off on a lint roller. And I'm going to clean that plate with pure acetone. And around the mat too, because I'm a ninny. There we go. It's a really cool plate though, and I love that the images are so big. If you had really, wide nail beds or big, longer nails, this would work. I think it would work for a lot of people. So here we go with another stampity stamp. Ta-da! And we're going to just keep on plugging away at it. I really did like this image. That's why we just kept going and did them all. Did them all the same way. It's kind of blurred on the end, so I'm going to turn around and use the other bit. I don't need very much of it. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get that off of my skin the best I can. And we're going to go in with a cleanup brush and clean up some of that excess. I'm using my old wonky brush. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush, the real cleanup brush. And get in and do that fine tuning. I am going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I'm going to seal that stamping in without smearing it. And then I'm going to use Let's Go top coat from Moonshine Manny. Well, I hope you enjoyed my manicure. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.